Alright. I'm back. We're gonna be doing some more quests. This is the thing about mechanical keyboards for all you ASMR junkies. If you like the clickety clack, you gotta invest in a good mechanical keyboard. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause you're not gonna get the clickety clack that I get. Oh wait. If I hit Alt, I can drag this. I can modify my template. You know what I'm saying? I can modify my template to fit the needs of the quest, to fit the needs of the challenge that entails. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to this. The dig site. The dig site. I don't know if I have the power to do the dig site, but I will checking this. What is this? The watchtower. I kind of want to do the watchtower, but like, do I have enough magic? That's the fucking. And don't tell me this shit's in Yanal. 40 mining, 25 agility, 14 herblore. Okay, what's my herblore? 13. Alright, I could do one level of herblore. Alright guys. I'm gonna clean some dirty leaves. Dirty. I don't even have dirty leaves, bro. I have to fucking buy them. This is why I don't like herblore. You guys wanna fucking kill me and shit. Dirty. Dirt. Grimy Marental. Let's get 100. I'm just gonna sell them back. What the fridge? Give me exactly what the fucking. What the hell is this shit? Okay, let's go here. Can I even do Marentals? Yeah, I can. Marentals are 5, bro. Oh, Taramans. Reclam's Bomb, Guam Tar, Taraman and Ashes. This is 15 though. Oh, I can make my own strength potions. I just need a limpwort root and thing. And that's why limpwort roots were so expensive back in 2007, because you could kill big giants here, sell them. But no one could actually use a limpwort root for anything in the game. Unless you took it to the apothecary that would create it for you. You know what I'm saying? All the free players use these strength potions. Strength potion. Okay, I'm gonna get Taramans. I'm gonna get grimy Taramans. Grimy Taramans. So I'm gonna get. I need to get 50 experience, so I'm gonna get 20. I'm gonna max up the price to 200 a piece. Alright, now I'm gonna go to the bank. Now I'm gonna put the bank on the grill. And now I'm gonna put this shit on the grill. Like, what the fuck, bro? I can't do it. I don't even have the enthusiasm to do that shit. Alright. Oh, I put dirty. What if I put grime? Imagine if I had. Oh no, I didn't have any grimy things. So I'm gonna take all of it. So you get 10 EXP. 10 times turns 100, and now I'll deposit these Taramans if I need them. So now 14 thing. Right, if I want to do watchtower, I need 40 mining. What am I at? Don't make me go, oh my gosh. No. 25 agility. Come on, guys. Guys and gals. We are going to let's go to link First, I want to link my page. Then I'm gonna go to agility quest, EXP OSRS, quest experience rewards. Gertrude's cat, I did it. Underground pass. Fuck my life. Agility requirement none. Which you best believe. This is one of the most annoying quests in RuneScape, I'm not gonna lie. The Grand Tree. I'm gonna have to do the Grand Tree at some point. Recruitment drive, I did. Depths of Despair. Did I do Depths of Despair? Did I do Depths of Despair? Let me check. Let me check if I did Depths of Despair. Oh no, I didn't do it. Okay, guys. Now we have a workable target. You know what I'm saying? Now I can get 25 agility without having to fucking click on stupid walls and shit. Alright? Combat recommendation 15 combat, bro. I'm blasting anyone that requires 15 combat. So let's do this. We're gonna be doing the Depths of Despair. Finish the client of current. And I need one skills necklace. So I'm going to go to the bank. Recommended items, access to fairy rings. Can I even do the fairy tale quest? I just want to check, guys. I just want to tickle the questy pickle. You know what I'm saying? Fairy tale part 1. Fairy tale part 1. Lost city and nature spirit. Lost city and nature spirit. Okay, let's go here. Lost city. 36 wood cutting, 3 and crafting. Nope. Fuck no. And nature spirit. Actually, change a course. This length is supposed to be short, so we will do nature spirit. We'll be doing nature spirit. And see, guys, this is why planning is so important, right? Salve, graveyard teleports. Okay, so salve. It's 2K a teleport, man. It's a pretty penny in these in this economy. What the fuck? Did it only give me 1? And knowing that I have to get 2, I'll probably need 3. So I don't trust these guys. For the purpose of this experiment, I'm gonna take 3. Okay. Then I'm gonna buy a silver sickle. And then I need my Ghost Speak amulet, and then I need combat gear to kill the ghasts. I mean, they're only level 30, right? And you guys know what I have. I got the fucking staff of fucking destructor, right? So I'm gonna like kill people in one shot. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna get the amulet of Ghost Speak. Okay. Let me wear it. I'm just gonna keep the Edgeville teleports in my thing. Then I'm gonna go here, deposit all these coins. And once I deposited all the coins, I'm gonna take some foods. Oh yeah, this is probably gonna require a bunch of stamina. We still haven't made me go to Canafis yet. So once I go to Canafis, like that's when you're gonna see some shit. You know what I'm saying? I'll do Watchtower later because I do want to do Watchtower purely for the magic. Look at this, because you get crafting XP, defense XP, get hit points XP, right? And 2 quest points and the ability to access Mort Mire swamps. So, like, why wouldn't you do this? It's just a no-brainer to do this kind of quest. Wait, what's the price tag on this? 235k. Like, you see, sometimes things come at a price, you know. Do I need a Wolfbane dagger? No. Start the quest by talking to Paldrominus Temple. Okay. Let me get 10 tunas. And I'm gonna get 2 lobbies. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now I want to go make sure my quest. Okay, my spell's auto casted to this. I'm 1 level away from using Firebolto. If you guys watched How to Pick Up Girls in a Dungeon, that anime, the guy's like Firebolto every fucking 2 minutes because that's the only spell he knew, right? But I don't blame him. I would do it too. Like, spamming is a valid strategy in MMOs. Spamming is a more than adequate strategy in MMOs. Okay. I'll put the sickle up here in case I need it. Okay. So I have this. I have everything I need. Now, I'm gonna go to Paldrominus Temple. So to go to Paldrominus Temple, Salve Graveyard teleport, Salve Graveyard teleport. At least show me where the fuck. Berderot is like probably where we're gonna go, and then Morton is another place we could go. Arceus. Oh, this is Salve Graveyard. Okay, Salve Graveyard, level 40. Arceus. And then we have to probably go to Canafis. But we're first gonna go Salve Graveyard and talk to the under the Paldrominus Temple. So I'm gonna go here. Pop. These guys trying to kill me. You can't kill me, you ghouls. You filthy ghouls. Who's Hikalayak Manana? Hikalayak Manana is some fucking... What the hell is this? Why would I want to squeeze through the crack? That's so stupid, bro. This guy's like acting like I don't want to try going in this crack and shit. Alright. Sought the Nature Spirit quest. Oh, he gave me some foods. Give me a meat pie. Mrs. Lovett's meat pies, if you guys watch Sweeney Todd. Ah ha ha. This is why they said access to fairy rings. You're gonna want access to fairy rings at some point because it just makes things convenient. Alright, do you know what I'm trying to say? Like, imagine walking all the way. Like, you want to avoid walking as much as you have to. Grigori is gonna turn into a werewolf. Watch. I'm just gonna show you guys for Malak. What the fuck is that guy Indian? Okay, pickled brain. What the fuck? Okay. I just want to show you guys for argument's sake. This guy turns into a werewolf. You see? This whole town, people turn into werewolves and shit. I would have got stuck here as well. Because there's no way out of here. Okay, how the fuck do I get out of here? Look at that. He just stays as a werewolf now. Canafis, bro. That's scary, man. That's scary. Oh, we have to go down the maze of the swamp. Okay. Let's go into the maze swamp. Look at all this swamp tar. Swamp tar is what you need to create a bunch of potions in using herb lore. Like, the only annoying thing about the quest is if you don't have running potions. Like, look at this. They rot the food. Drop rotten food. I could see the ghasts. Look at them. They're like invisible. But this site, you can like, when you like run towards them, like, this is a tick-based game. So if you're like clicking shit quickly, you'll more than likely what the fuck was the point of that? The washing bowl. Oh, look, imps. How long have you been a ghost? I'm gonna let a ghost speak. Pick up the mirror. Use the mirror on filament to lock. Talk to Drezel to get blessed. And this is why they have teleports. Pop. We go back to Drezel. What the hell? Bitch. Now he's getting his boy to defend him. He PJ'd me. Fuck you. I'm petty because like this guy attacked me, so I have to kill one of these guys. You guys need to pay the price for trying to start shit with me, bro. You're not just gonna start shit with me and get away with it, bro. I killed 2 of them. Don't you ever try to attack me again. Fuckers. Dr. Dresel, can you bless me? Can you bless me with something? Ashutu Blastium. Alright. Cast the druidic spell next to a rotten log and pick the mushroom. If you have already go to the journal, resync your state. Look how much running I had to use. This is Chick a werewolf? La Sabre, yeah, she sounds like she's a werewolf, bro. She sounds like she knows Spanish too. Bitch. Pick some fungi. Use the mushroom on the outside of the grotto. What the fuck is the point in that? Finally get to go in his crevasse. Okay, so I got the silver sickle enchanted. Right click the bloom and fill the druidic pouch. Okay, so I have to kill 3 ghasts. It's like, talk to me, Canologist. No, bitch, I'm fucking fighting a ghast, bro. Why the fuck would I talk to you? I don't even need prayer. Just take some more fishing baits. Okay, so I got some of this. Apparently I don't need more than 1 pouch. Alright, cool. And I finished Nature Spirit. So it comes with 3,000 crafting speed, 2,000 hit points, 2,000 defense. Right? Welcome to my altar. 22 crafting. 30 hit points. No defense level? Wow. That's dumb. Pray at altar. So now I can fill up my prayer. I get brand new fucking prayer over here. You see what I'm saying? Now I can go back to Varrock. What the fuck? Where's my... I don't have any fire runes or Varrock tellies? Alright, fine. I'll do this. Let me just wear this. And go back to Edgeville. And then run to the Grand Exchange. Where we will finish this quest video. And I'm just adding words to the end of this sentence. You see, like, when you kind of know what the plan entails, by the time he touches me, he's already dead. See what I'm saying? Let me kill this skeleton for talking shit. I'm just farming right here. I'm almost at 35 magic, that's why. I just want to auto cast these spells. Oh, I could just teleport to Varrock using my staff, that's why. Being the genius I am, I like thought too far ahead and I like outsmarted myself. Boom. There we go. Now I can auto cast fires. And I'm gonna train magic at the same time. And defense. That way like I could auto train these and I don't have to think about it. It's a defensive cast. There's no downside to training defense. Especially if you're not a pure. Like you may as well just train it. Like it doesn't cost anything extra to do that, right? It doesn't cost any extra runes. It's just free XP. So why not use defensive spells? You know what I'm saying? So and I have a shield and all that shit. So that is it for the nature spirit quest. So if you like that, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below. Peace.